What is up, YouTube? It is Ricky Bobber, and today I'm going to be trying something new that I saw on Facebook in a Facebook group to make the black a little blacker on there. I do keep it outside, so it does tend to look a little faded. This stuff is called pig spit. So the directions say to spray about where'd it go? Directions say hold can 8 to 10 inches from surface to be sprayed. Apply a thin mist coating to clean, and then dry surface for best results. I washed the bike yesterday, so I would do recommend washing it first, but let's give this a shot here. I'm trying to do it with my left hand. Here we go. Oh, looks better already. What I'm going to do on this one is just do one half so you can see the comparison side by side. Now that it's like just getting taken away by the wind. Now that I have, shoot, it's so windy right here. Now that I have the right angle to do that. Maybe do this in an area that's not so windy. It's practically going all the way over there. Yeah, you can tell the difference already. I'm gonna go ahead and do this part. Man, this stuff ain't cheap either. I'll tell you, it's like I found a can, but is it 16 ounces? No, 9 ounces. 9 ounces was 20 bucks. I wish it wasn't taken away by the wind. Ooh, that looks good too. Good exhaust, maybe. I feel like I'm spray painting it. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna release this video right away. I'm gonna wait about a week and see how well it holds up. But if it stays that way, that's pretty freaking awesome. This looks like it came right out of the showroom floor. All right, so I'm back on the other side. It's been a few minutes, and I'm gonna dry it with this microfiber cloth, kind of rub it in a little bit. So check it out. I got a little silly with it. I did the whole entire bike. I did the tank, I did the bars, the levers, the fender. I even did the rim a little bit. It's supposed to be for the whole thing. I just kind of wanted to test it out little by little, but man, it's looking really good. I just hope it sticks that way. Something I would recommend is to make sure to wipe down like the grips and stuff really well, because it is slippery. It does work on vinyl, so my seat is vinyl. Sorry for the noise. There's a gym right here getting all pumped. Yeah, but I don't think it's ever looked better, honestly. So this is it right here. Pig spit. I'll put a link in the description, and yeah, so far so good. I think I like it. All right, so I'm back. It is 8 days later. As you can see, it looks pretty damn good still. Definitely better than it did before I sprayed it. It did dull up a little bit, not too much. Before it was, and you guys saw it was like really faded, but it still held up. I haven't washed the bike or anything. It did rain a couple days ago, so it held up through all that. Please excuse the airplane. I work near an airport. I really can't get like 2 minutes without any airplane, so I'm just gonna have to live with it. But yeah, let me show the other side as well. There we go. So this is now, let's see, 2 weeks, so 14 days after the first application. It's gone kind of back to normal. I'd say there's still about 10% left. It's probably time to reapply. I have also washed it, and it has rained twice, and I keep it outside, so through all of that, still having it looking better than it did before. 10% left is pretty good. Go check out the other side. Pretty much the same on the other side, but feel more complete if I do it that way. Please excuse the airplanes going overhead. But yep, there you have it. I'm going to put the link in the description if I haven't already mentioned it. Pig spit, check it out. Good stuff. Thanks for watching, you guys. Check it later. Peace.